We chose to go to Holiday World on the most crowded day of the entire year.
Wow, a Saturday at the end of the year.
The most crowded day in the entire year. Holiday World.
Yes. Good. Look at me. Smile.
About to ride Thunderbird and then the Voyage for number 150. 150. About to ride Thunderbird. That's fun. Just rode Thunderbird. I'm always a sucker for launch coasters, so I really enjoyed that one. Even though I felt a little sick, I think I need to eat more food, but really smooth. I might only have one chance to ride it, so. Kids area Daddy was telling me about. Are you having fun? Here! Ready? My number 150th roller coaster was the Voyage, and it was pretty crazy. I'm not sure what just happened to me. Really, I'm not sure how to react. Except for that back was pretty bumpy. It was pretty crazy. It was a fun ride. And it was so long. And the queue line sucked. Those are my initial thoughts.
And the safety of others.
It's okay. We're gonna go together.
Welcome to the Howler. You must be at least 36 inches tall.
Right here, sweetie. Go across. Sit over there. Over there.
Advising companion who is at least 16 years old.
me.
Okay, let's go. Grayson, come on. On my own again. Throughout the legend, my neck's a little sore after that one. That was a lot of lateral forces, but it was fun. Fun ride. It was smooth at the beginning and at the end, but in the middle it was crazy bumpy, so it was fun. That was the legend. Now I'm headed to the Raven, the last roller coaster of the park.
Stand up and around, sit down one more. Stand up, sit down, stand up, turn around and down.
Got done riding Raven. It was probably my least favorite of the wooden coasters. Not because there was anything wrong with it was just shorter than the other ones, but still a great wooden coaster. So overall, I've been impressed with the wooden coasters here. Hi. You guys are dry. Hi, Evelyn.
We got a ladybug on us.
Whoa.
That was
You're
pretty
bouncing.
good.
You're bouncing.
Whatever it is.
I was doing Raven. I was going to have you
Oh.
flap.
Hey, hi.
Gobble, gobble,
Gobble, gobble.
gobble, gobble.
Hey, oh, it stopped in the worst spot. Turn around. Woo! Good job, guys. Evelyn, good job.
Look at me, guys. Say hi.
Wave, Sienna, look. Oh, you butt. Sienna got 510. Dun dun dun. Are you showing off? Kylie, can you say mama? Oh, you say I love you. You say love you. Chapa, chapa, chapa. Chapa, chapa, chapa. You say dada? Kylie. Kylie. Can you say dada? Good job! How long do we give them before we go back down there?